Welcome back to Ingua News. A drone demonstration was held at Santa Cruz to introduce farmers to technology driven farming solutions. After a positive response in South Goa, the initiative was extended to North Goa, with farmers showing interest in adopting drones to improve efficiency and reduce cost. Zonal Agriculture Officer Ranjit Mapsekar said the response has been encouraging.
शेतकऱ्यांचो बरो रिस्पॉन्स पंचायत वाज अशें एक मशीन अवेलेबल करपाचें त्या जाग्यार भात हे प्रमुख प्रमाणात आसा. आयज आमी जमल्या एग्रीकल्चर ड्रोनचे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन घेवपाक ITI म्हणून एक कंपनी आसा तेंचो ड्रोन आमी स्प्रे करता. जागो आसा सांता क्रूज. आमी नॉर्मली स्प्रेईंग करपाक वखद मारपाक ही जे वापरता ते मॅन्युअली करतात. फाटीक स्प्रे लावपाचो आनी स्प्रेन तुमकां पंप करपाचो. आतां नवीन टॅक्नॉलॉजी आयिल्ल्या कारणान तुका ड्रोनान हे करपाक मेळटा आनी तुमचो खर्च जो आसा तो सादारण 5 पटीन तरी कमी येता. आमी आतां जशें कंपनी कडेन डिस्कस करताले की ताका खर्च कितलो येवपाक शकता. खर्च सादारण तेंच्यांनी सांगण्या प्रमाणे एकराक सादारण 1100 रुपया येवपाक शकता अशें तेंचें म्हणणें. बट हे ट्रायल बेजिसार आसा. आमचे कंडिशन कशें आहा हेच्या प्रमाणे हेचे रेट्स पर स्क्वेअर मिटर पर एकर कितें बसतलो तेजेर डिसिजन जातलें. सद्या आमी ह्या डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन लेवलाचेर आसा थंयचेर आसा. एक सावथ गोंयाक ऑलरेडी डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन जाल्लें आसा. नवीन जें आसा तें आतां नॉर्थ गोंयान आयज जाता. आयज म्हटल्यार 15 तारखेक 15 जुलय. शेतकऱ्यांचो बरो रिस्पॉन्स आसा. खूब सरकाराचो असो विचार आसा की पंचायत वायज अशे यूथ आसा जी महिला आसा ताका ट्रेनिंग दिवपाचें. पंचायत वाज अशें एक मशीन अवेलेबल करपाचें त्या जाग्यार भात हे प्रमुख प्रमाणात आसा. येस, थँक्यू.
Two different subjects. Sir has said that labor is a serious problem. Labor is not able to, we don't have labor for agriculture. This is the problem which Sir has said. It is a tough job to get people to work in agriculture. And Vincent Sir just pointed out to me that we are doing organic but we don't get productivity. Okay, these are two separate subjects, but interestingly, and this is the same thing, and I'd like to tell something more on what Joachim sir said, that when we went to Himachal Pradesh, as you know, is famous for apples. The worst or the saddest part of our country is that the farmers and families which were doing apple farming have now come to a stage where they want to give up and give it to some real estate, some building, and exit farming. You imagine if this is the trend, and sir is actually validating that trend here in Goa. Yes. What will happen? We may have money, 100 rupees in our pocket, but we will not have food in the on the plate or in the store. Now this is so serious that, according to me, of course, Mr. Nikhil Desai and the Agriculture Department know about all these issues. And the reason why we are here is also interrelated to both the issues. So the program which we are going to show you here is, it's like this, that we are not going to be selling any product to you. This is only one part of the overall program. The program is about interlinking the agriculture department, the university, which generates great ideas, but it does not come to the farmers' hands, and the farmer also, because he is not aware of what is happening in the university. And this communication gap, actually, we as ITI Limited, which is India's oldest CPSU, we are from Bangalore. We've got this demonstration to you, which is going to be visible. We also have Gautam, who's got a complete application which is going to be hosted in a new data center, which is going to be made in the agricultural department in Goa itself, so that the information of the farmer is going to be right here in Goa, so that when Mr. Wind, he will say, last year sir you used this pesticide, this would have led to this, therefore you make sure that this time you don't use this pesticide, you do another crop or you do another set of insecticides, you do another set of fertilizers, which will lead to better productivity, which will also lead to higher income. Sir is of course a rich man, so he said that, I don't care, I don't have to sell anything to the market, and I consume everything myself. I'm so grateful, sir. Thank you very much. You people like you are needed, but the agriculture department, the government of India, and the government of the state of Goa cannot afford. These are exceptions. It is the small. Sir, as he rightly pointed out, when this cycle stops, that stopping is going to lead to everyday food becoming a question mark. Right? I'm sure this is a fisherman community because there's sea next door. This is also connected with the fishes. You can't do excessive fishing as well. You can't do fishing in certain